So it's a Chinese cooking. That's very simple. Long boiled. This is actually pork ribs, pero yung part na medyo malambot siya, ang hiniwalay ko. So I separate the soft part and I take the ribs. Ayan. So it's the long boiled stew. And then we have taro leaves. Ayan. So we also has to boil longer para siya maging more nicer. Dahil ilalagyan pa natin siya ng coconut milk one more time. Dahil medyo nakita ko yung mga leaves niya is still intact. So sometimes mahirap siyang mahirap siyang digest, no? Lalo na sa atin na medyo may kahirapan sa digestion. Ayan. So kailangan ko siya talagang long boiled until na talagang very very soft na siya. At saka natin siya lalagyan another more coconut milks. And then what we gonna do? Syempre, so it's a long boiled. We wait guys. So we cover first. And I got salty fish. Syempre, ang salty fish, I love to eat with my sinigang. So, nagluto tayo ng sinigang, which is pork ribs. Yung ribs ang ginawa kong sinigang. Ayan. So, is luto na siya. So, it's time to eat na para sa akin. It's medyo late na rin. Pero anyway, I woke up about 9 o'clock. So, it should be late talaga akong kakain. For my first meal of the day, hindi ko na alam kung breakfast pa ba to or is lunch. So, I can say altang, no? Late lunch, late breakfast, and early lunch. So, of course, I always want to have coffee. Ayan. So, hi! Good morning! Ayan. So, is the pork stew. That's it, guys. So, kakain na po tayo. And, yes. Siyempre, gusto ko rin ng coffee para naman na-pick me up ako. Ayan. So, it's not coffee kasi nag-iisa lang ako. But I usually have my brewed coffee kasi pag nag-brewed ako medyo madamihan. Kasi sayang naman kung mag-brewed ako 1 cup, no? So, I should use first the snap coffee. Why not alone? So, it's okay. I can control how much coffee I can only have 1 cup. Yes. Okay. So, lunch, guys. Lunch, breakfast, and lunch for me. So, here. And let's see it. Wait. I'm going to use kamay-kamay, I think. I love to kamay-kamay. But I use my gloves. I love kamay-kamay. Kamayan na. Yes. I love kamay-kamay. So, mag-Toyota tayo ha. Ayan na. Toyota with sinigang. Soko Joy. Hello. Yes. Toyota with sinigang. Pero wait check natin ang ating nilulutong ginger pork at the same time. Ayan. A little bit more kasi I want the sauce is more thick. Yeah, it's medyo nagraran pa yung sauce niya. I want more thick. And then, ating taro. Yan, ating ginataan na gabi. So, yan. So, you know guys, yung pagka busy na tayo, we have no time like yesterday, I have no time. I almost went home at 8 guys. Ay, kain tayo. So, tuyo, meron tayong tuyo. And meron din tayong sinigang na spare ribs. Yan. Yes, we go. Yan. Hindi na ako nagsusuklay, no? No coming. Ganyan talaga. Wala naman tayong bisitang darating. So, it's okay. Don't bother. No coming. I don't care as long I enjoy with food. Coffee. Oh. Ribs here. Show you guys. So, tara kain tayo. Tuyo. Gagit. Tuyo ba to?